Monday, June 24, 2024. Nativity of St. John the Baptist. Focus. What then will this child be? How lovingly God plans the life of each of his children. St. Luke gives us a hint of how God interacted personally with each of those who would support Jesus. John the Baptist grew up in a household attuned to God, setting him on course to prepare the way for Christ. He had no doubt about his mission. In the network of the families of Mary and Elizabeth, each strengthened the other's faith and they helped each other to discern and obey the Lord's will. Today's Gospel includes a shining detail. John's mother declares his name, and his father fully endorses what she says. In this year of prayer, we can draw inspiration from the extraordinary examples in Luke's Gospel. John's parents long prayed for a child, and in their later years, God answered their prayer. The Hail Mary, the Magnificat, the Benedictus rose up from hearts accustomed to praising God. The months of pregnancy, particularly, were filled with prayer. Mary and Joseph, Elizabeth and Zechariah, each pondered in their hearts, as other parents do, what will this child be? The angel Gabriel answered their questions up to a point, but it was their own prayer life which produced action as well as the clarity and the beauty of the hymns Luke preserves for us. Fruit. We too are John's neighbors who hear all these things. Do we take them to heart so that they inspire our prayer and obedience?